Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can see the wireless password of whatever device that is giving you Wi-Fi. Once you're connected to it, you'll be able to see the password if you're connected to it on a laptop or a notebook. Once you are connected to it wirelessly on the device, you'll be able to see the password. First things first, you go to open network and sharing center. You click on the wireless connection that you're currently connected to, and then you go to wireless properties, and then across from connection you see security. Click on security, and then going down to network security key, you see a little box on it that says show character. You click on show character and voila, you'll be able to see the password that this internet connection has. So this is only possible if you're connected wirelessly. So if you have a wireless adapter on your desktop, then you can also use this to see the password that the wireless or Wi-Fi is issuing. So this is just for anyone who you forgot the password and you want to connect something else to your Wi-Fi but you don't remember. You can use this method. Another method that can be used as well is to go into the router, but I'll leave that for another video. For this one, we're just sticking with the making the password visible on the device that you're connected to it with. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, share it, and leave a comment. If you do want me to make sign into the wireless router or modem video, then you can also make that recommendation in the comments below. Thank you.